I know these pictures will not add value to our article. It has to go and get shredded into infinity and beyond. On this video, I will share some photos previously posted on the website of sibanga360.net. I mean, already sanitized photos. Pictures speak louder than words. That's why on the website, I post images side by side with articles. But sometimes, I find some stock photos in our library that may not add value to the article, but instead work the opposite. The quickest solution is doing edits with the help of Photoshop. To illustrate, we pulled the original pictures in our library, featured photos edited before publication. Now placing side by side, check out and spot the difference. Will you agree with me it was better sanitizing the images before finally posting as part of an article? I can't help it because in the Philippines, political signages and posters are stuck on roofs, walls, parks, trees, and any space available wherever it may be. At least the eyesores are gone, even if only through digital cleanup.